So you went out and got yourself the new DJI FPV drone. Awesome. You can't wait to go fly and go get those really cool cinematic shots. But there's something wrong. The DJI drone doesn't quite have the feel that you're looking for. Well, I may be able to help you with some of that. The DJI FPV drone doesn't have PIDs that you can manipulate, but it does have rates that you can change, and rates do contribute to the overall flight experience. To personalize your rates, you're going to need the drone, the goggles, and the FPV controller. First, get your goggles. Make sure everything is powered on, and you're going to do your configuration from the goggles. From the internal menu, you're going to select Control, then you're going to select Remote Controller, and then it'll bring you to this screen where you're going to toggle from button customization to gains and expo. Here's where you're going to change your expo and your gains. These are the default rates. I'd say they're about medium. Center stick response is sensitivity to small movements. Max rate is the overall rate. Your expo, well, think of that like a buffer. It is the decrease of sensitivity by a percentage. For a beginner, I'd say use these rates pictured here, and in no time, you'll be able to up those rates so you can start chasing your buddies around the FPV course. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.